Hello everyone, and welcome to Twoguysfinance channel. Bank of America. The name alone can elicit strong reactions. For some, it's a behemoth of the financial world, a trusted institution for their banking needs. For others, it's a symbol of everything they dislike about the banking industry. But why is there so much animosity directed at this particular bank? The hatred for Bank of America is complex and multifaceted, but a few key themes consistently emerge. 1. The 2008 financial crisis and the Merrill Lynch acquisition. This is arguably the biggest stain on Bank of America's reputation. During the height of the crisis, the bank acquired Merrill Lynch, an investment banking giant that was teetering on the brink of collapse. The deal was controversial from the start, and it was later revealed that Merrill Lynch's losses were far greater than what was initially disclosed. This led to a government bailout, public outrage, and accusations that the bank had misled investors and taxpayers. Many people still associate Bank of America with the too big to fail mentality and the massive government bailouts of the era. 2. Fees and customer service. This is a common complaint against many large banks, but Bank of America seems to bear the brunt of it. Customers often complain about excessive and confusing fees, from overdraft charges to monthly maintenance fees. The feeling is that the bank is nickel and diming its customers, particularly those who are struggling financially. Combine this with frequent complaints about long wait times, unhelpful customer service representatives, and a seemingly endless maze of automated phone menus, and you have a recipe for frustration and resentment. 3. Foreclosures and mortgages. In the aftermath of the housing market crash, Bank of America became one of the most active lenders in the foreclosure process. The sheer scale of the foreclosures, combined with accusations of robo-signing, where foreclosure documents were signed without proper review, created a wave of public anger. Many homeowners felt they were being treated like a number, not a person, and that the bank was not willing to work with them to find a solution. The memory of these aggressive foreclosure practices still lingers for many people. 4. The sheer size and power. Bank of America is one of the largest financial institutions in the world. Its size and influence can be intimidating, leading some to view it as a faceless, impersonal corporation. When you have a problem with your account, it's easy to feel like you're fighting a losing battle against a bureaucratic giant. This feeling of powerlessness contributes to a sense of distrust and resentment. 5. Other controversies. Over the years, Bank of America has been embroiled in numerous other controversies, from a failed attempt to charge a debit card fee to allegations of discriminatory lending practices. While not all of these were as significant as the financial crisis, they have all chipped away at the bank's public image, adding to the overall feeling of distrust. In conclusion, the hatred for Bank of America is a culmination of a number of factors. The lingering resentment from the 2008 financial crisis, a reputation for poor customer service and excessive fees, and a perception that it is a faceless, profit-driven giant. While the bank has made efforts to improve its image and customer relations, for many, the damage has already been done. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.